Hello YouTube, back again with another video. I have a new tool haul for you guys, September 9th, 2020, and let's get to the video. So, start out with Matco. I just got this cordless rechargeable soldering iron. It interests me. I want to get a non-butane soldering iron for the house when we gotta solder stuff around. Starting doing more side work. So I got this mainly for the house. Let's open it up. Part number SKR, cordless rechargeable soldering iron. A couple things. It says rapid start, industry leading 8 seconds from cold to soldering temp with the press of a button, up to 1100 Fahrenheit. Twice the runtime as competition, 40 minutes of continuous soldering with LED work light. Throw that to the side. Has warranty and how to use paperwork. So here we have the soldering iron, and it's actually pretty long. Soldering iron rather than your typical like pin style soldering irons, I guess you could say. Let me see. Here's the Harbor Freight version that I have. It's like, I think, 20 bucks. But this is a butane version, as you can see. And the pointy tip works good. I don't really use it much because it goes through butane like crazy. It takes a while to heat up, and then by the time it heats up, I have to solder it real quick or I'll run out of butane. So, I mean, if you're in a pinch and you need to solder something quickly, this is cool, but I'm not into the whole butane type thing. But as a size comparison, there's that one, and then there's this one. So, it is pretty long. Let's take the lid off here. It's pretty longer than your usual. So maybe if you have a power probe, the power probe, I believe, butane soldering iron, this is going to be, I think, a little longer. But yeah, here's your. I still have to charge it so I could test it out how it works, but it does have the little button for LED. Let me move the light a bit so you guys can see. In a dark place, need to solder something, LED works right there. Just gotta go on and push. There's your selector. They're on, off, on front, off, back, and then it's USB. It's not Type C, it's regular USB. It's not that much of a bummer. USB still common. So that's the soldering. It comes with another tip, flat tip. And then also, this is kind of cool. I want to see how it works. Kind of like a torch, a little mini torch for like your heat shrink and stuff. I want to see how that works. You have a sponge and a little container here to wet your tips. A little bit of solder, and then your cord here. Micro USB right here to A. You want an in-depth tour or video on this specific soldering iron? Leave it in the comments below. I'll make a full review of this. I'm gonna do a comparison or a versus rechargeable Matco soldering iron versus the Milwaukee, because I do use the Milwaukee one at work. So if you wanted to see that video, or maybe even against butane. I also have a bigger torch, a bigger handheld torch that lasts longer than this one. So put it in the comments below if you want to see an in-depth review on the Matco rechargeable soldering iron. Next that's from the Matco truck, and then I got some stuff, as you can tell, from Snap-on. And then actually I want to show you guys some stuff that I got. I got this ratchet. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, I did not pay that price. Okay. There was a commenter in a couple of my videos prior that loved the Cornwell ratchets, and I was curious on why. If I know Cornwell ratchets, at least their older versions are very not big in the tooth game. This is a 30 tooth ratchet. It's a flex. There's the detents, and then cushion grip. Cushion grip a little bulky, but a good size. At least this one specifically for me. I liked how cushion grip was. It wasn't too oversized for the size of ratchet it is. And then part number. If I could get the camera focus. Oh. TRF 42HA. And I did not pay that price. I got it in the discount since. But quick comparison. Here I have, let's say, no, I have it over here. Your typical Harbor Freight 3/8. There's the size difference right there. As you can tell, that one's shorter. I'm gonna try to get the glare off here, off this ratchet. 30, 72, has detents, doesn't have detents, and then the on is right side, and the on this one is the left side. Another quick comparison. This is a regular Snap-on 72, not 72, 3/8 drive. These are all 3/8. This is the chrome version, flex. So this is your comparison. Now I'll do say the teeth count on this Cornwell ratchet is not the best, but it does have a smooth type feel, if you get what I'm saying. Like the Pittsburgh Harbor Freight, it's not smooth. It's kind of cheapy feel, Chinesium, and this feels more stout, even though it's not a lot of teeth. So picked that up from the Cornwell truck. That's all I got from this week. Added to the ratchet collection. Next thing I bought a long quarter from Snap-on. Quick release. And then see if I get you guys. I don't know where the part numbers are on these. I don't know if you guys can see that part number. There's my dog. Can't find the part number on this ratchet. I don't know if it's in the face. I'll try to find out on Snap-on's website, and I put the part number on the screen. I think that part number is for the replacement kit on the ratchet mechanism when you break it. But overall, this ratchet, a little bit more than a foot. I think it's like 12 feet and 2 inches. Or here, do I have a measuring tape? I'll be back. Alright, back. Got a tape measure real quick. It's about 12 feet and a quarter. If you want to be exact. 12 foot or 12 feet. 1 foot. 12 inches. A foot and a quarter. It's been a long day. So I had previous these quarters, and they're small. I would think when I started, if I need a quarter, it's gonna be small. And I originally got this one because it was a different handle. It's like your bluish, purplish handle. I got this one in, I believe it was Memorial Day. I don't remember, but yeah, I got this one because it was a different color than the usual Snap-on colors. And then I didn't like that the sockets would fall off, so I ended up getting a quick release version. But this one, as you can tell, where's the damn tape measure? Those are about 8 inches, the green one, and then the little one, the blue purplish one, is about 7 and almost 3/4, 7 7/8 almost. So there was times where I needed a long quarter actually for a tight spot. So I end up getting a very long 1/4 inch push a button type. And I know there's a lot of people that say, well, Snap-on ratchets are hard for the sockets to come out. They do make a push button style now, if you're interested. So I also ordered Matco. I want to do a comparison, Matco versus Snap-on. A long Matco flex, but locking flex, not the quick release, but it has locking flex, the Matco version. So video soon on that, and then do a comparison on that. Now I got a multimeter. There was times where some fuses would go off at mom's car, dad's truck, neighbors, or some side jobs too, even my grandma's car too. So there's times I would bring the one from work and forget it, and then I need it, so I decided to get another one. It was $10 off. I think it was like $70. Part number ECT400B1. I decided to get the one, not the clear one, because I have the clear one at work. I want to get the non-clear one so I could find the screen quicker, where to see the voltage. And yeah, I got this one. You do not have one of these, and you want a good one, you get a snap-on one. But there's other options for if you don't want to spend $70 on a test light. You could get cheaper versions on Amazon, OTC. I'm not sponsored by Snap-on, so I don't really gotta say buy this one. So you could get OTC versions, you could get Lyle versions. This is a 12 volt. They also make 24 volt and 48. I don't know if the 48 is made by Snap-on, but Snap-on makes the 24 volt. And then the 48 Lyle, I believe, make one. So just so you won't burn your test light, because if you go more than what it's tended to be, 12 volts, you'll burn it. This one's for 6 and 12, so you do not want to burn it. That's gonna go right there. So that's the test light. That goes over here. And then I got the Snap-on guy got me with the ratchets this time. 100th anniversary. Put the light a little bit more away so you guys can see. There's not a lot of reflection. Oh, like that. 100th anniversary. Oh, there's still a bunch of reflection. How about here? 100th anniversary ratchets. 3/8 flex cushion grip and the quarter. I haven't opened them because I really don't want to open them because they're so nice. They had a deal. You get this, buy this. Oh, part number if you guys are interested. RAT2 TFHLFCE. Again, they had a deal. Buy this, get the hoodie free. I'll post a screen up of me wearing the hoodie. It's a large. It's a little bigger than I usually wear mediums, but they don't have larges and they ran out of mediums, so it's like I might as well get a medium. I'm not gonna use it for work, so this is matter if it's a little loose. And they gave me a hoodie. It just got cold today, so it would be cool if they made a 100th anniversary hoodie, or hoodie, a beanie. I meant beanie. That'd be cool. But let's see. Do I really want to open these? Video is long. You know what? I'm changing my mind. I'm not opening them. I want this video to get what's a reasonable number? 50 likes, and then I'll see if I'll open these. I don't do it if you guys actually see my videos, and I want 50 likes and open this. I really don't want to open it. Thank you guys. See you guys later.